Nature, something that is ever so changing. From politics to the coronavirus, it is hard to take the time to appreciate the world we live in. With the leaves changing and winter fast approaching, it is important to remember that Michigan's beautiful colors will not be around forever. So instead of staying inside glued to the TV, go outside and watch the cars go by. Because Michigan's beauty will not last forever. Reporting from Chesterfield, Michigan, Jacob Catalina, JRN 206.